Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 28th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I don't know what to say about today. We closed out negative $1,300 on our closed out trades, but we're holding positive $1,800 in open trade equity, and so technically we made money today. But I'm going to tell you, it was a crappy day, and I'll tell you why. I hate just about closed out trades. When you see open trade equity deflate, it's like you're losing money, and that's the way it feels to me always. Today we had this one trade in Clovis Oncology, CLVS, and Clovis has been a pretty good market, but the last two trades have been really frustrating for us, and today it happened again. We were holding Clovis. We came in this morning, and right after the open, that market had over $7,000 in open trade equity, and I'm all but counting the money and going to the bank, and then it just crashed from there. And when we got out of Clovis at the end of the day, we lost like $300 on it. $7,000 just poof, it evaporated. And so it's hard for me to look at today and think too much positive, even though technically we made a little money. Anyway, that's the way it went. Dow Jones Industrial Average just churned around, didn't do anything, ended up closing unchanged. Anyway, let me show you those disgusting charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and it just isn't too much to look at here. This was today's action. This market, we came in to today, and it started off negative. It went a little bit positive, negative again. Then it was pretty much positive all day, and then it kind of crapped out here at the end. Ended up closing unchanged. Not too much you can say about that, except it's kind of a indecisive churning market. I'll show you a couple trades here. Both are the good and the bad. This would really get me in a bad mood. This is Clovis Oncology, and you can see here that on Friday we had bought this pop up. It came back. We weren't really holding too much positive on that trade on the close on Friday, but look at this huge gap this morning. I mean, I thought this thing was going to go to the moon. As I say, when it was up here, we were up over $7,000 on that. And then it just totally gave out. And when we ended up getting out here, we had negative $300. So we saw positive 7,000 in profits go to negative 300. That's tough. I'll show you. But the only thing that we really had positive today, and it's kind of a scary positive. This is DGAZ, Degaz, Velocity Shares, short on natural gas. We got clobbered on this just a couple days ago on this slide here. Took a kind of a nasty loss there. But this morning, this thing just really gapped up. Had a huge gap up. We bought that gap, and it doesn't look like it went very far here, but we are holding over $1,000 in open trade equity on Velocity Shares. But the only thing is, this is a big gap, and if this thing goes south, we're going to be hurting. But we'll just have to wait till tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went today. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.